Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope you're all having a great Saturday and a great weekend. Well, today is part 2 of my review for OutdoorTide. So I have 2 stamped cross stitches, and if they have any specials or if I have a discount code, it'll be right in here and in the description box below. So let's start with the first one because I'm kind of anxious. The first one is a Joy Sunday, and it is a 42 by 32. It was $8.77. So let's see what this kit looks like. Comes in the lovely Joy Sunday bag. Let's flip this over here. Isn't that pretty? And it's not too terribly big. It's a partial because you don't do where all those whites are. But I just like the lovely autumn colors. Isn't that gorgeous? Just absolutely gorgeous. I like the mill. I like the little bit of water. And it is, I don't know how pixelated this will look, you know, when it's done. It does have some back stitching. I don't think it's got, what do you call it? French knots, but we will take a look at the pattern. There it is. So it has a lovely paper pattern. There are 6 pages to this paper pattern. So there's 6 different sections. Let me look. Yep, it only has one, what am I trying to say? One color key. So this color key will go to the paper pattern. And let's see. Oh, it has one French knot color, which is 839. It has back stitching, but no half cross stitches. There is a total of 34 colors. No 310 black. Wow. That's amazing. So the darkest colors that they have is 938, which looks like a dark brown, and another dark brown of 3781. So don't know what those colors are. It's using B5200 for the white. I can't imagine where that French knot goes. There can only be probably one. Oh, it goes in the eyes of the ducks on the water. So yay, 2 French knots and you're done. You really want to go technical? This is a 14 count. I don't know if it'd be small enough. I was going to say you could use seed beads for their eyes, but that's not too bad. Or you can just make it a cross stitch and go on. So however you'd like, but there is, you can see the back stitching in the ducks. There's some up here in that fence, some on the leaves. I'm going to flip. Oh yeah, there's back stitching on the barn and in the trees, but it will really make this picture. So very nice, very nicely done. I want to look at the canvas first before I ever get to the threads because, you know, I'm a little gun shy. Turn it the right way. I don't see, let me look on the back. Nope, it doesn't look like it got wet. So that's a plus. And the symbols are quite easy to see. But yeah, I thought this would be a lovely little autumn edition. Very nice key down here at the bottom. Here's your back stitches. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You only have, nope, you have 6 colors in back stitch, 1 in French knot, and the rest is full cross. So the back stitching will make this. But very easy to see key. Let's take a look before we measure and all that at the colors, because I'm hoping for lots of autumny colors. Let me get that undone. Let's see, we got browns. It does come on the lovely thing. It does have your product number here. Red numbers mean how many threads there are. Then you have the DMC number, and then you have the thread card number. And there's your B5200. But yeah, we have some nice autumny colors. Just gorgeous. Just absolutely gorgeous. Reds, oranges, browns. I don't see any 3371. And there's that 839. It's kind of a darker brown, so I think it'll do and be dark enough. But beautiful oranges and reds. We have 498 red. No 666. So, and we have 814, which is kind of a brick red to kind of, what do you call it, shade out the trees and everything. So yeah, nice bunch of colors. Let's measure this. It is serged all the way around, and it does have the product numbers that were on the front of the paper, and it's 190 by 135, so it's not too big. Now this tree looks a little confettied if I'm looking at them. Let's see, 43 centimeters or 17 inches that way. And this way it is, a little over 32 centimeters or about 12.5 inches. This way, the actual picture is about 9 3/4 inches or 24.5 centimeters by 13.5 centimeters. 34.5 centimeters or 13.5 inches. So not too, and you could make it, let's see, can we make that 14? There's 14 by, yeah, you could put it in an 11 by 14 frame. So that's cool. But yeah, the back stitching is going to make this, but there's some, I'm rolling as fast as I can. You can see how confettied this tree, this tree, this tree, and then this one. This one isn't so bad. But yeah, I think it's going to be lovely. I really do. I love all those colors. Gorgeous. I love fall colors. I just adore them. All right. Let's take a look at this one. And this one is a 50 by 50. It was $14.35. It is a Yushu. Let me get it out of its bag. All right. Is that not gorgeous? I just hope it's going to be big enough. But we're going to see here. Let's see. Nice big paper pattern, just like Yushu has. Does have how to start, how to finish instructions, all attached to the paper pattern. And we have 42 colors, 49 by 49 in centimeters. And it's 190 by 190 stitches. And it does have big areas here, but it does have confetti. So I think that'll just help to define the picture, but I just loved this picture. I came really close to ordering this twice, several times, because I forgot that I got it. But it is just so pretty. I love all the reds. Let's see what colors we have. We have 310 black, 498 red. We have 666 red, 814, which is that brick color I just showed you. We have 3371, which is the dark brown. And I'm not sure what 3771 is. I know we have 3770, and that's that light butter color. So that will be that color that goes right in here. Where is that other one? 3. Where did it go? It's a purple triangle. Number. So that wherever it's pink, you'll have that butter color. And then, I don't know where that V is. But at least everything's all printed very well. Very nice. Very easy to see. This is an 11 count. So, yeah. Just lovely. Look at that. All those beautiful colors. Yeah. Now, they do come on thread drops, so we'll just have to work with it. Does come with a toolkit, 5 needles, poof ball thimble, and needle threader. We'll just set that aside. And Oh, before I get too far, let me turn everybody over. Okay, product number is 8447. 8447. And on the paper pattern, 8447. So that all matches. And let me figure out, get this out of its bag. All right, I am back. I'm looking. Thought that maybe there was blues in that, but unless there's just one or two strands, but these are all reds. Reds, oranges, browns. I see no blue in that at all. That is scary as hell. Hang on. Let's go find out something. Well, we got this right here. Okay. Dress. Huh. And I don't know. But it sure looks like blue, so maybe there's just not that much of it. I'm going to take this off. That's weird. It's the cat thing all over again. Oh. Everybody's out of line. I don't know where that sticks back at, but we'll try to get it, everybody together. Oh, there's some blue. See, it's not very much. Oh my goodness, everybody is going in. Oh, here's another. No, that's light green. I am so not seeing that blue that I want it to be at all. Because it looks like there's more blue in this than just that one color. And that isn't even really blue. Because that's a pale green. Oh, man, I'm disappointed. Unless, you know, I haven't gone through them. But there's your one and only blue. So, I got nothing. It's 931. But the rest of them are beautiful reds. Kind of October-y colors. We even have some mocha in there. Everything else is beautiful, but I don't know, they kind of skimped on the blue. We'll have to see. What did I say that number was? 931? 931. So I guess it's just sprinkled up here. Maybe it'll show up more against the white, because there's white in that parasol, but yeah, could have swore there was more blue. So we'll have to see, but I still, I still like the picture. I think it's pretty. And it comes on the typical Yishu canvas. It's kind of stiffy. Real smooth on both sides. It's not rough. It is serged all the way around. It does have a nice big key over here. But yeah, it's pretty, what do you call it? Confettied in parts. Then you do have the big areas. So we'll just have to wait and see. But, and I think this canvas will be okay once I stitch with it. But like I said, it's not too big. 50 by 50. What is that? 14? No. 19.5 inches or 49.5 centimeters by 40, a little over 49.5 centimeters or 19.5 inches. Actual is 17 inches or 43 centimeters. And this way it is 43.5 or about 17.25 inches. So not too big. I think I'd start up there with that parasol and put that blue in, see what that's all going to be about. So very nice, but very well printed. And I like that it's an 11 count. Very easy to see symbols. I'll hold that as still as possible. So yeah, let me put these back in here. Just so. But I wish there'd been a couple more shades of blue in that. 42 colors. You couldn't have made it 43 or 44 and had 2 more shades of blue. Yeah. Could have done a little bit better. So, I don't know. It's one of those things you just got to trust the process, I guess. All right. Now, that's all I got from OutdoorTide. Thank you, OutdoorTide, for these 2 lovely kits and the 2 beautiful kits from last week. I appreciate it. Now, OutdoorTide has cross-stitch, diamond painting, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all of that. And they also have jigsaw puzzles. So if stitching isn't your game, they have other crafts that you can do there. So check them out. And I appreciate each and every one of you watching this. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.